Okay, so this video is for Mr. EE100 RFX 8140, and so these are the cables, some of the cables that came in the box. So here are the 4 sets. I'm not sure what this one is. I never used it. I'm not sure what that is. It's still in the package from 1999. This is this part right here. So I have this taped up. Yeah, I'm painting the house. So this is your output. Here is your audio input. I'm assuming this is the accessory. So it plugs into the back of the unit, and it uses just the top. How many are here? Yeah, just the top row. Oh, no, top and bottom. Right there. So red, white, black, black. This is your signal. I'm not sure what this cable does. Oh, this must be the balanced. Plugs into the same area. It says external. Let me plug this in. All right, so this is also plugged in, and it's set up this exact same way. And this is the main harness. You have your left and right in and out. That goes to the processor. All right, so, and I'm assuming that's what you were asking about. All right, so I hope this helps you. Let me know if there's anything else that you need. And if you want to pass me your phone number, we can just text the photos.